We are team controllers and we are participating in the MoonBattle competition.
We are going to be presenting our idea, the SNACKBOT, and I am a Dishreading worker.
I'm Harini Wamamurthy.
I'm Pragnia Kola.
And I'm Roshni Butta. The problem we see and what we want to solve. When people go to sports events, they love to cheer for their favorite team and have fun while watching the game. Imagine going at a football game and missing a crucial part of the game because you have to go get some snacks. That would be a bummer. That's the problem we are trying to solve with our invention. The solution that we came up with is a robot that will deliver the snacks from the concession stand to your seat. That way, the audience will enjoy tasty snacks and won't miss any part of the game.
SNACKBOT provides sports fans with cutting-edge technology, which is their ticket to a non-stop and distraction-free entertainment. With the most minimal time, you can get tasty snacks right at your seat. All you need to do is just to tap on your phone. You can order on the app and enter your row and seat number and just wait for the SNACKBOT to get your food to your place. Yes, it's that simple.
Some features that we provide in our innovation is that it is easy to order, it's safe and effective, it delivers to your seat and row, it provides you with food, first aid, and drinks, saves time and energy.
How it helps by solving people's problem. You can first order some tasty treats on the SNACKBOT app. You won't have to miss any minute of the game, delivers right to your row, and it's safe and secure.
This is the demonstration of our project. So first, you just on the app that is just specialized for SNACKBOTs. 2, you just wait for SNACKBOT to deliver your items to you. 3, you pay and pick up your items. 4, you sit back and enjoy the game.
We asked the people around us what they thought about our idea, and most of them seemed to like it. Here's some feedback that we received.
So this is the company that are our rivals. SeatServe is a company that is used by many stadiums, mainly the United States. SeatServe makes it easy for customers to enjoy their food while watching the game and not having to choose between both.
According to Gus, SeatServe charges about $2 to $8 per fan to use their special services. That's how much each fan will spend to use seat service.
SeatServe has reached $304.3K in revenue this year in 2022. That's how much money is at risk if we don't invent a solution for this problem.
I would say that each SNACKBOT would cost about $250 to $300. Each customer should pay about $4 extra if they want to use SNACKBOT services. This allows the stadium to easily cover for the cost of the SNACKBOTs. That is because everyone at the stadiums value the game more than the food and would easily pay more in order to watch the whole game.
Customers can have access to SNACKBOTs at sport stadiums, and places with large crowds. SNACKBOT is made mainly for sport events, but we can accommodate other events as well. It's not very accessible as it is made specifically for sports fans. We are at a advantage because there are many sports stadiums and sport fans that will be interested in our services. The main problem I resolve is missing part of the game because of the line at concession stands.
According
about 4 to 118,904 people attend sports events per year. If we charge about $5 per customer, we each pay off 917 stadiums in the USA, about $1,500. Then we can make $709,217,520.
I think that even if sales are minimal, I can still be able to get 50% of sales. Many people pay hundreds of dollars for the game ticket, so I'm sure they won't mind spending $5 more in order to get better service.
I want to capture the sports market, and the growth rate is 3.4%. It reached 388.3 billion in 2020.
So the problem we are addressing is basically that people are standing in long lines and missing a lot of parts of the game because to get food from the concession stand. So they're missing huge parts of the game, which is a waste to their money.
Another problem that we're trying to resolve is actually minimal profit that comes out of concession stands. Many fans don't end up buying snacks because they don't want to waste their time and actually want to watch the game. So with SnackBots, even the stadium itself can also make more money.
Our solution for this is that by SnackBots, you'll get right to your row. And all you need to do is just walk from your seat to the end of the row and pick up your item and pay. That won't take a lot of time, and you won't miss the crucial part of the game. And we also have special apps just for it, so you can order your food or first aid or any other services. And we also have a tracking feature to know if your food is ready or on its way or already given. And it also has safe and secure metal containers.
So the problem to the solution. The problem is waiting too long in lines at sport events, and the solution is our innovation, the SnackBot. It comes directly to your seat, so it makes the customer want to try the product as it saves time. The customer can save money and enjoy the game, and they can now enjoy the game in peace.
SnackBots can be stored at warehouses and transported through trucks when necessary. They come with many different features that actually need to be updated. So to maintain SnackBots, you need to update the software and store them at warehouses. That is a picture of our prototype. The SnackBot is designed to meet and fulfill your personal needs and provide you with the experience of a lifetime. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you so much.